Hi, hello, my dear students. Right up to now, I uploaded 9 lectures on this kinematics. Please go through it. I discuss fundamentals and note points on distance and displacement. Few examples based upon distance and displacement concept. Right now, I would like to discuss a new topic. Today, I would like to discuss a new topic: speed and velocity. So already I'll give definition for this speed and velocity, formula for speed and velocity, units and dimensional formula I discussed in first chapter, physical world, units and measurement. Now, so some more detail, I've given some more clarity about this speed and velocity. Right? First I start from speed. What is meant by speed? The rate of change of distance is called speed. So rate means changes with respect to time. This is very important, friends. So whenever any definition is there in physics, rate is mentioned, it changes with respect to time. This is very important, right? So distance is changes. What is changes here? Distance is changes with respect to time is called speed here. That means speed is equal to formula, speed is equal to distance by time. Rate is mentioned, distance by time. Whenever rate is there, we consider by time. So distance is equal to speed is equal to distance by time. Then unit is distance is measured in meter, by time is measured in second, meter by second is a unit of speed. And what is this? Speed is a scalar quantity or vector quantity. Distance is scalar quantity, time is scalar quantity. Definitely speed will become scalar quantity only, because distance scalar quantity, time is scalar quantity, definitely speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude, scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude. Because it has only magnitude. Next thing is speed is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude. So speed is always measured in positive only. This is very important. Speed is always measured in positive only. Speed never be negative. Never be negative or zero. For a moving body, definitely some speed is there. It never be zero, it never be negative. Speed is always measured in positive only. This is very important. So speed is always measured in positive only. And one more thing, speed is always greater than or equal to magnitude of velocity. So speed is always greater than or equal to magnitude of velocity. Speed is always greater compared to velocity, and it is sometimes equal to magnitude of velocity, because velocity is a vector quantity. If any physical quantity is vector, we indicate by bar. So modulus we are taking means magnitude. Magnitude of velocity vectors is less than speed. This is very important. Speed is always measured in positive only. This is a main thing. And so these are the major points for the speed. And at a particular time, this is also very important. If time increases, then speed never be, for example, time, instead of time write distance. Distance is increases, speed never be, distance is increases, speed never be decreases, So this is another most important point. So these are the things, and we would like to discuss some more details and types of speed, types of velocity. We would like to discuss here. So next one is types of velocity. Next topic is types of velocity. Before going to discuss types of speed, types of velocity, so I would like to discuss some more points about velocity. So velocity is, what is meant by velocity? Velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. So rate in displacement is called velocity. Simple thing here. So rate means with respect to time. If any body changes with respect to time is called rate here. Velocity is defined as displacement is changes with respect to time is called velocity. So formula for this one, velocity is equal to displacement by time. So unit for this one, displacement is measured in meter only, time is measured in seconds. Meter per second is the unit of velocity. Observe friends here, speed and velocity has same unit, same dimensions, but speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. And the main important thing is velocity is measured positive, negative, sometimes zero also. So velocity is measured positive, negative, sometimes zero also. But distance is measured. So distance is measured always positive. Speed is measured always positive. Displacement is measured positive, negative, zero. So why velocity is measured positive, negative, zero? Simple thing. In velocity, which formula should contains what is here? Displacement is consist in this formula. Displacement is measured in positive, negative, zero. That's why velocity also measured in positive, negative and zero. So this is very important. Velocity is measured positive, negative, sometimes zero also. This is very important. Next. So here velocity is magnitude of velocity is always less than that of speed, So this is the major points about this velocity. And so we consider for the velocity at a particular time, two velocities are not possible. That means two positions are not possible, two speeds are not possible for a particular body. And if time is increases, the velocity may be decreases. Time is increases, velocity may be decreases. But speed is never be decreases. If time is increases, velocity may be decreases. If time is increases, velocity may be decreases. Velocity may be decreases. Velocity may be decreases, but speed never be decreases here. This is very important. So this is the thing here about this velocity. And now I would like to discuss types of speed and types of velocity. Types of speed and types of velocity. So next topic is types of speed and types of velocity. So what is the types of speed here? Types of speed. First one is uniform speed. Uniform speed. What is meant by uniform speed here? So body moves. If your body moves constant speed throughout motion. Throughout motion is called uniform speed. Is then body is said to be in a uniform speed. So this is the definition for the uniform speed. If your body moves constant speed, if body moves with constant speed throughout motion, then the body is said to be uniform speed. So that means the main important thing is throughout motion, entire motion, speed is constant. For example, if a car is traveled on the road, so while it is moving from Adiyaman Public School to Roundtana, so he started from Adiyaman Public School, he moves to Roundtana. Throughout this path, he maintains 50 kilometers per hour speed only. That means throughout motion, speed is constant. Then it is called as here, speed is constant. This is said to be uniform speed. So this is the thing for uniform speed. Next, I would like to discuss another type, non-uniform speed. So this, if you know uniform speed, then it is easy to define non-uniform speed. If your body moves with variable speed, constant means fixed. Variable means it will varies. For example, I moved from Adiyaman Public School to Roundtana. First itself I maintained 20 kilometers per hour speed. Next, after increases to 30 kilometers per hour speed. Again I increases to 50 kilometers per hour speed. That means speed will be varies with respect to time. That means speed is not constant here. Then that motion is said to be non-uniform motion. That speed is said to be non-uniform speed. If your body moves with variable speed. Variable means variable speed. That means it is varies with respect to variable speed throughout motion. Then the body is said to be non-uniform speed. So then the body is said to be in a non-uniform speed. Here speed is not constant. Speed is not equal to constant here. Speed is not constant here. It will varies. It is varies. So then the movement is said to be non-uniform speed. Right. Next one, instantaneous speed. What is meant by instantaneous speed? Third type is instantaneous speed. If your body has a speed at a particular time, at a particular time, at a particular time or instant, particular instant. Instant means what, ma? Instant means time. If your body has a speed at a particular instant, for example, 9 hours 5 minutes. So 9 hours 5 minutes at that time, at a particular time. What is the speed of that vehicle? That is called instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed is nothing but instant means time. At a particular time, the body has how much velocity, how much speed is called instantaneous speed, right? So how can we express it here? So limit instantaneous speed is equal to instantaneous speed is equal to limit delta t tends to 0 dx by dt is equal to delta x by delta t is equal to indicated by dx by dt. This is the formula for this one, instantaneous speed. So these are the three types, and the most important type, this is the fourth type. This is very important. So after completion of this, I would like to discuss about velocity. So first types of speed. First one is uniform speed, another one is non-uniform speed, third one is instantaneous speed, fourth one is average speed. This is very important for solving problems. Please be focused. Fourth one is average speed. Fourth one, average speed. So the ratio between total distance traveled by body, and total time taken is called average speed. So what is the formula here? Average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So again I repeat, we had four types of speeds: uniform speed, non-uniform speed, instantaneous speed, average speed. Uniform speed means speed is constant, then that speed is said to be uniform speed. Speed will be varies, then that speed is called non-uniform speed. Body is said to be in a non-uniform speed. Next, instantaneous speed. If a body has a speed at a particular instant, that speed is called instantaneous speed. Next, fourth one is very important, average speed. Average speed is nothing but a ratio between total distance traveled by body and total time taken is called average speed. So average speed is equal to formula total distance traveled by total time taken is called it is the formula for this average speed.